Did you know your kitchen and daily habits could be the secret to fuller, healthier hair? Let's dive in. Start your journey to luscious locks with 3 miracle oils. Rosemary oil stimulates your scalp, enhancing hair growth. Castor oil, rich in fatty acids, strengthens each strand. And don't forget about pumpkin seed oil, a powerhouse for thickness. Now let's talk diet. Keep those sugar levels in check. Swap out white breads and pastries for vibrant veggies, healthy fats and proteins. Yes, that means more spinach, black beans, and even juicy blackberries. Avoid the no-nos. Too much salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats can be your hair's worst enemies. Instead, load up on vitamins like A, B, C, and minerals like iron and zinc. They're not just good for your body, they're essential for your hair. A few more tips. Turn down the heat on showers and hair dryers to keep your hair strong. And remember, a gentle scalp massage can work wonders for blood flow and hair growth. Stress less and sleep more. Aim for those golden hours before midnight to let your liver and kidneys recharge, crucial for preventing hair loss. And if you're feeling overwhelmed, a soothing cup of chamomile tea might just be the ticket to relaxation and better hair health. There you have it, your ultimate guide to stopping hair loss in its tracks. Remember, consistency is key, and when in doubt, a health professional can always guide you further. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips. See you next time.